Go ahead.
Hey guys, it's Lauren from Mindful Wanderers with Nicole. Today we're going to talk about van life hacks, a wonderful herb organizer, or herb/spice organizer. We spent a long time looking online trying to figure out how to keep all of our spices organized and neat, because Nicole loves to spice up all of her dishes, and mine, she cooks for me a lot too. So, for those of you who don't know, I do a lot of beading, and this is actually a bead organizer for little tiny beads. You can get it at Michael's, and they're awesome because you can just like, woo, spices. You can detach them at any point. So this is great, and I just put tape over it to label them all. And when we run out, we plan on going to Whole Foods or any bulk spice place to fill it up with some more.
Okay. All right, time to spice it up.
Whoop, whoop.
So, we're gonna do a little of Lauren's favorite, adobo. I really have no idea what that is, but it smells good. Oregano, little cracked pepper, our soy sauce alternative, liquid amino acids.
Bam! Bam!
Bam! Man, what would I do without this handy spice cooker? And mix that baby up. Got our makeshift lid here. Perfect.
And that is how you spice it up with Nicole Thompson.
Ow, ow.